大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And in today's lesson, we're gonna learn the fourth type of complex sentence in Chinese. The logic between the clauses is hypothetical, meaning the first clause presents a hypothetical situation, condition, and then the second clause will state the result or conclusion that would occur if the hypothesis were true. Simply put, the logic is if something happens, then something else may happen. Right, okay, now let's take a look at the commonly used conjunctions. 如果 something 就 if something happened, then something else may happen. 假如那么 supposing something, then something. 要是就 if something, then something. They mean the same, just change the character a little bit. But this 要是 is more for informal English, like oral, informal Chinese or oral Chinese, right? 哪怕也 even if something happens, something still, whatever. And 倘若 meaning provided that, right? And this one 万一 just in case something, so you can use it in the second clause. Alright, now let's take a look at the example sentences. If there is no sunlight, plants cannot grow. 如果没有阳光，植物就不能生长。So here we use the conjunction 如果就 if something, then something. Okay. 如果 if 没有 doesn't have, right? 没 negate the verb have. 没有 doesn't have. 阳光 sunlight the object. So verb object. 植物 subject plant 不能 this is modal verb, negative modal verb, cannot. 生长 grow. So subject modal verb plus predicate verb. Okay. Next one, if it rains tomorrow, then we won't go hiking. Again, we use the conjunction 如果就 if something, then something. If 明天下雨 tomorrow it rains, right? Tomorrow time word. And then 下雨 fall rain. Okay. 我们 subject 就 then 不去 don't go 爬山 climb mountain, right? 了 to change the state of the sentence, meaning because of the rain will our plan will change. So here subject negative predicate. Now next one, if you have difficulties, then please tell me in time. Here we use the conjunction 假如那么 if then, meaning the same. 假如你有困难，那么请及时告诉我。假如 if 你 subject you 有 have 困难 difficulties subject verb and object. 那么 then 请 please, this is an imperative sentence. 请及时 in time adverb. 告诉 tell 我 object. So this is adverb and verb and then object. Very clear. The grammatical component, right? If we can analyze each sentence clearly like this, it will be easy for us to read, understand, listen, write. Okay. If I were rich, then I would travel around the world. 假如我有钱，那么我就去环游世界。Here we use the conjunction 假如那么 like if something happens, 那么 then somebody would do something. So 假如 if 我 subject I 有 have 前 object subject verb and object 那么 then 我 subject 就just 去 go to 环游世界 travel around the world so we put two one verb and a verb phrase together serial verb predicate all right and what is the subject okay if you don't study hard then you won't pass the exam 要是你不认真学习就通不过考试 so here we use the conjunction 要是就 it means if something and then something will happen 你 you subject 不认真 not carefully adverb 学习 study verb 就 then 通不过 we omit the subject right so 通 pass 不过 is a complement negative cannot pass right 考试 exam so verb and object next one if I had set off a bit earlier then I wouldn't have been late 要是我早点出发就不会迟到了the conjunction is 要是就 yeah meaning if then the same but they are using a little bit different character 我 subject 早点 early or earlier 出发 set off or leave for somewhere subject adverb and predicate verb 就 omit subject right so 不会 will not this is a modal verb negative 迟到了 be late right or arrive late so here modal verb plus predicate or verb right or be late use adjective as a predicate even if there are greater difficulties ahead we must still persevere 哪怕前面有更大的困难我们也要坚持下去 here we use the conjunction 哪怕也 like even if still right somebody still do something so here 哪怕 even if 前面in front of us in front the location 有 verb predicate so 前面 is the subject right show the location and 有 is the verb predicate 更大的困难更大的 greater this is attributive or adjective modifying the noun 困难 difficulty so this is the whole noun phrase is the object right subject verb object 我们 subject we 也 still 要 modal verb will do something 坚持 persevere 下去 is the complement of the verb 坚持 right how we persevere keep going right persevere along the way subject modal verb and a verb phrase predicate now next one even if there is only a glimmer of hope I still will not give up 哪怕只有一丝希望我也不会放弃 so here the conjunction we use is 哪怕也 like even if still right 哪怕 even if 只有指 adverb only 有 have 一丝希望 noun phrase as the object 意思 the main word 丝 a gleam of hope like a little hope 我 subject 也 still 不会 modal verb negative will not or won't 放弃 give up so subject modal verb and predicate verb okay next one if you agree to this proposal we will start executing it tomorrow 倘若你同意这个方案我们明天就开始执行 now the conjunction is 倘若 yeah it means if more formal, right? 倘若 if 你 subject you 同意 agree 这个方案 noun phrase as the object. So subject verb object 我们 subject we 明天 time word adverb 就 will just right and 开始 means start 执行 execute start executing subject time adverb and this 就 is also adverb 开始执行start doing something the like the serial verb, two verbs together as a predicate. Next one, if it weren't for your help, this task would be very difficult to complete. 倘若没有你的帮助，这件事就很难完成。So 倘若 means if 没有negation of the verb 有 doesn't have. So this is the verb predicate. 你的帮助 your help. This is a noun phrase as the object. And 这件事 this thing 就will just 很难 very difficult. The whole phrase as the adverb 完成complete difficult to complete. Usually before the verb is adverb because it modifies the verb like how the action is done. Okay. So subject, adverb, and verb predicate. Next one, take an umbrella just in case it rains. 带上雨伞吧，万一下雨呢？带上bring 雨伞。Object umbrella. So verb object, but we add a but to turn it into a suggestion tone or make it polite. 万一 this is a conjunction here. In case, right? 下雨 for rain, right? 下雨呢 ne again is neutralizing the tone, make it more polite and suggesting. If by any chance you can't find me on the way, give me a call. 万一你在路上找不到我，就给我打电话。So here 万一 is the conjunction in case or if by any chance. 你 you subject 在路上 the location adverb 在路上 on the way. 找 is look for the verb 不到 complement of the verb showing the result. Look but cannot find me. Okay. 我 is the object as the pronoun, right? So subject, adverb, and verb complement and object. Very clear the grammatical components. 就 just, right? Adverb. 给给我 so 给 here is actually a preposition like towards 我 me object and then verb phrase 打电话 make a phone call. Just towards me make a phone call or just for me make a phone call. Or you can remember the pattern. 给 somebody 打电话 means call somebody. Okay, pretty good. Today we learned the fourth type of a complex sentence in Chinese, showing the hypothetical logic. 再见。